before I start this video, don't forget to go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below and go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So I'll be having a lot of Camaro ZL1 content coming to this channel and plenty more. Let me go ahead and give you guys a view of the car first. See, I already have the hood matted. I have the tire stickers on there. What is going on, guys? My T back here with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to clean your Alcantara on your Camaro ZL1 or any kind of Alcantara vehicle that you might have. So the main thing that most people have a gripe about is cleaning the Alcantara once it gets matted down. If you don't use gloves, which I don't use gloves. I mean, I figure that's just for the track and it's just doing too much, to be honest. So basically what I use to clean my Alcantara on mine is Sonax. It's a Sonax Alcantara cleaner, and I use a hard bristle brush, which you can get at your local O'Reilly's or AutoZone or wherever you like. And pretty much all I do is I just apply a delicate amount to whichever portion that you want to clean that's matted down. You just go across it with the brush. Just give it a few hard swirls, just apply a little bit of pressure with it. I'm just showing you guys an example. I've got most of my steering wheel so far. And you just take a clean rag and just go ahead and twist that rag on there hard just to get all that dirt and grease out of it that may have gotten on it from your hands. And once that's out, you just go across it again and swirl it like this. Go all around the steering wheel. And I usually apply a good amount of Sonax on it. I mean, because you're gonna have to let it dry. So usually I apply a good amount, and then as you can see, I'm parked in my garage. So I just went on a drive. So the heat from the car is gonna basically dry this up. So I just leave my window down, shut the garage door, and let it just dry all this up in the garage, maybe in an hour or so. And you can come back to it and it'll be all good from there. So as you can see, I'm pretty much finished with it. You can also use this on the door, really anywhere that has Alcantara, like the shifter knob right here on the other door, right here on the dash as well. It works wonders, and it gets all the grease, dirt, and everything out. Like I said, I'll link this product down below in the description. You can get it on Amazon, or I might link the actual website to where I got it from. Feel free to use my link below. I don't have any promo codes or anything, but this product right here actually works. It's the only one that I found to actually work on Alcantara, and it's highly raved. So I use it, guys. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know in the comments down below how it worked out for you guys, and keep those bald eagles flying.